In this video, I'll be answering some of your questions about real estate. So kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, my name is Marty Hernandez. I'm a licensed real estate broker, and sa channel ko pag-uusapan natin obviously anything about real estate tips. Nagbibigay din ako ng mga house tour videos kung interesado kayo doon. Maybe cryptocurrency, investments, about life. So anyway, sasagutin ko yung mga recent questions na sinend sa akin through social media. So kung meron din kayong sariling question, you can either send them to me sa aking social media accounts or sa comment sections below. So sagutan natin ang ating unang question, which is, hindi ko muna nilagay mga pictures ng mga tao for privacy reasons. Anyway, ito yung question nung number 1. So, hi, good day. I'm a full-time mom with 3 kids and I've been watching your videos. How do I find a real estate broker so I can be a real estate agent? Ang question niya, very simple. Saan ka ba makakahanap ng real estate broker para maging agent ka? Actually, mahirap sagutin kasi it's going to be through your connections. Kung may kakilala ka lang talaga. Or maybe you can find in different Facebook groups, or sa mga social media, you can use that platform para makahanap ng specific broker for you. Kasi hindi ka makakahanap ng perfect broker kasi may mga brokers na pwedeng nasa malayong lugar o kaya hindi nila kaya i-handle yung property na yon. So, yun, kung kailangan mo talaga maghanap, you can find through social media accounts. So, madali naman yun gawin, I think. And of course, yung mga connections, kung mga kakilala ng pamilya, kaibigan ng kaibigan, you can ask them kung may kakilala sila to help you. Question number 2. By any chance, are you looking for sales agents that can help you in the buying and selling of your properties? So, kung naghahanap ba ako ng mga agents for now for my team, previously yes, pero medyo naging sobrang busy ako. That's the reason di rin ako nakagawa ng mga YouTube videos for you guys kasi nagkaroon ako ng personal something about COVID. Pero hindi ako, pero basta yun. Pero for now, I think sa 2022, I'll be needing extra hands from agents. Kasi gusto ko na i-push talaga yung real estate sa 2022 para marami rin ako matulungan ng mga ahente. So hopefully hindi na ako ganun maging ka-busy, although I doubt kasi we're gonna get married. Hindi ko lang kung pwede sabihin, hindi kasi nanonood yung girlfriend ko. Pero isa yun sa mga reasons ba't naging sobrang busy ako. Anyway, so yun, sa 2022, I'm expecting to hire or get new agents for my team. So kung interesado kayo, you can message me and I'll get in touch with you guys. Ang ating next question is, pag nagbenta ng lupa ang developer na nakapangalan sa certain individual, legal pa rin yun kahit walang license to sell from DSHUD. So, ang tinatanong niya, may developer nagbenta na isang property na nakapangalan sa ibang tao. Meron kasi tayong tinatawag ng mga joint ventures. So, may mga projects tulad ng ginagawa namin, naghahanap kami ng lupa, nakikipag-joint venture kami sa mga tao, and then hati kami sa, well, depende sa usapan, pero around 50 or mga 40-60. Basta may kahati kami for the profits kasi i-develop namin yung lupa niya. Kaya may mga properties na hindi nakapangalan sa developer, so may possibility na ka-joint venture niya yun. So you also have to do your own due diligence. Alamin mo na kung bakit sino ba yung nakapangalan doon, ka-joint venture ba niya, or baka naman yung specific na lupa na yun hindi talaga kasama sa project, pwede rin yung possibility, or merong anomaly nangyayari. So you also need to ask questions from kung saan mo nabili, sa developer of course, number 1 yon, and then yung may-ari. So you can do your own due diligence para hindi kayo maloko. So I hope I answered your question. Next question. Hello Sir Marty, I'm interested and willing to become real estate agent, but I really don't know where to start. Can you please help me? Thank you and God bless. Paano ba magsimula as a real estate agent? I think I've done a video about this for a number of times already. Pero ang ginagawa ko is, ang binibigay kong advice para sa mga magsisimula pa lang is, you have to dedicate your time to know more about real estate, know more about architecture, about engineering, about business, about taxation. Kasi hindi ka gagaling kung hindi mo iuubos yung oras mo para matuto eh. Hindi ka magiging successful kung nanonood ka lang ng TV araw-araw, gabi-gabi, wala ka nang ginagawa. Or, I think you get the point. You have to use your time to know more about real estate. So, pwede ka manood sa mga YouTube videos about real estate. Marami namang content creators na nagbibigay ng mga very nice knowledge about real estate. Pwede ka rin magbasa ng books about real estate. Pwede ka rin humingi sa mga previews. Kung may kakilala kang mga brokers na pwede ka rin hingan ng mga, meron kasi mga reviewer for real estate licensure exam, which is very helpful kasi makapal yun eh. So more or less marami ka na matututunan doon. And of course, you also have to get a mentor to help you along your real estate journey. So number 1, research about real estate terms. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel para maturuan ko kayo about basic real estate stuff, and get a mentor, and mga YouTube videos, mga ganyan. And pwede ka rin magtanong-tanong sa iba. Kasi yung real estate is very broad topic. Nandyan yung taxation, computation, yun nga, architecture, engineering. Mas advantageous kung mas marami kang alam sa mga bagay na yun. So our last question for this video. Again, you can also ask your own specific questions sa comment section natin or sa social media accounts ko. Anyway, ang ating last... Hello sir, sana mapansin nyo. Hehe. I just wanna ask lang po if sa tingin nyo po, good long-term career ang real estate agent. Well, I think it's a very good long-term career kasi real estate, it's an industry na nag-appreciate yung value. So, bihira ka makakita ng industry na kasing safe ng real estate pero mataas pa rin yung potential to earn. So, although maraming high risk, high rewards like cryptocurrency, meron din a little low risk, medyo okay rewards through stocks. Pero I think real estate is something, kasi yung product niya, it's a tangible good. So, isang advantage yun. Kasi pwede nyo rin ipamana sa mga anak nyo, although mapapamana na rin yung taxes kapag... Anyway, pwede nyo rin ipamana sa mga anak nyo, sa mga apo nyo, and nag-appreciate yung value, lalo na kung lupa or prime lot yan, or maganda yung, or booming yung town na yun. So, I suggest, well, hindi ako consultant to really give specific suggestions about your investments, pero for me, personally, flipping is a good strategic for real estate. Pero I think nalayo na ako sa aking question, kung good bang long-term agent ang good long-term career ang real estate, pagiging real estate agent. It's a yes. Marami kang matutunan, marami kang makikilala. It can widen your connections about anything. So, meron ka makikilala mayayaman, may makikilala kang makapangyarihan. So, pwede mo sila magamit to help you in your business, in your life, in your family. So, I think at marami kang matutulungan, 'di ba? Marami kang matutulungan na pamilya na makabili ng kanilang bahay na pinaghirapan nila. So it's a good feeling na makatulong, and you're not only giving help to other people, but you're also earning a lot dahil sa commission. I think that's it for this video. Again, if you have specific questions, I'll be doing a lot of these videos para makatulong sa inyo guys, lalo na sa mga interesado maging real estate agent, or maybe just curious about real estate. Kung meron din kayo masasuggest na topic about anything, just comment down below. Or if you're interested about talking about cryptocurrency, I'm really also curious kung interesado kayo doon. So you can comment down kung gusto nyo ng ganon. Kasi kung walang mag-comment, hindi ko alam kung gagawa pa ako, kasi what's the point kung walang manonood. Anyway, that's it for this video. I really enjoyed making another video for you guys, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Keep safe. Again, my name is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker. Bye bye.